Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Cinderella on her pumpkin in Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to start with the Cinderella outfit already done. If you want a tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to do one. So you do need VIP for this because you'll need the broom just for more effects. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it, but select the sit front and color the broomstick dark brown. And then you're going to want to color the broomstick end kind of the same as the color of your dress. I'm just going to make it lighter. And then same with that over there, like this. Then you're going to want to grab the cloud thing. Also, this only works for free play because you do need the accessory adjustments like hack or whatever. Then make the cloud again the same color as your dress. And then this hoop, a brown color for the pumpkin. And then the twirly thing, make it green to be the color of the pumpkin. I don't know what it's called. Okay, just make it green, alright? And then this one, make it orange. And then I'm just going to make it green again for the leaves. Then I'm going to get this item here. Where is it? This one. And I'm just going to scale it up a lot. And I'm going to rotate it to 1. And I'm going to position it so it's near this area here. But just a little bit backwards. Maybe here. And then I'm going to save that. Let's do pumpkin. And I'm just going to wear that again. Oh, why is my headband like that? Okay, there we go. Grab the hat. The bonnet, sorry, and then scale it up again all the way there. Try to bring it down. I can't really do that much. And then color it orange for a pumpkin. And then I am going to also get this hair. The Aurora hair. That's what I call it because it looks similar to the one she has. This one. And bangs only, and color it green. This is for part of the pumpkin. You'll see I move it here. Okay, I'm gonna just move it to the side first because we do need the stem and I need a headband for it. Just going to get this headband and I'm going to color that brown. And then I'm going to just position it kind of up here. Move it to the side a little, and then I'm just going to rotate it a little bit to the side. Oops. Okay, maybe use the y-axis. Hold on. I'm just trying to rotate it so it's looking that way. Gonna make it a little bit darker. Okay, now I'm going to get this one. Where is it? Where are the bangs at? Oh, this one. And I'm just going to move it. Oh, that's rotation. Move it here. And then kind of move it there. Scale it up a little bit. I'm just going to make a few minor rotations. Like that. And that is your pumpkin. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Here are the final adjustments. So for the headband, it is X.22, Y.78, Z.76. rotate the Y at 0.10 and scale it the same. Then for the hair, it's position it at X at 0, Y 0.64, Z 0.86, rotate the Z to 0.68 and scale it to 0.7. Then for the pumpkin, I think you just have to do that on your own, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!